destination or the journey? I'm sure we've all heard the corny and overused phrase, it's not the destination that matters, it's the journey. But what does this really mean for us?
Particularly as students, we can get caught up in the grind of life and school, just forging onwards to earn our degrees and get out into the real world. But does a focus on the destination put too much pressure on life and take away our enjoyment of the in-between times? Conversely, does the journey itself even matter if it's aimless and never-ending?
For example, beyond our student identities, technological advancements progress at astonishing speeds, proposing new questions regarding the ethical use of AI and the complexities of cybersecurity. New tech has the ability to cut steps out of the journey and speed us to our destination, but should it? Tonight, we're excited to look at the costs and benefits of both the destination and the journey with you all, and we have a wonderful panel of speakers to guide us.
We hope that your time here tonight will encourage you to pause, look inside yourself, look outside yourself, and see how you approach different aspects of your life by focusing on the destination or on the journey.
To start, is this anyone's first time at a 60-second lectures event? Raise your hand. Well, welcome to you all. We have a very exciting night planned.
For all of our first-timers, here's how this is going to go. We have 6 wonderful professors, educators, creatives, and scholars here with us tonight. They will each have exactly 60 seconds to lecture us on a topic of their choosing.
This is no easy task, so they will need your audience support. Please give them your full attention and cheer them on when they hit their minute mark. Also, keep in mind any questions you may have for them, because we will have a Q&A session once all speakers have come.
Before we get started, we would like to thank those who helped to make tonight possible. Tom Nelson, our Loyolan Advisor and Director of Student Media, Kevin O'Keefe, Assistant Director, Diana Germano, Administrative Assistant, and Dr. Jeffrey Wilson, the Director of the Honors Program.
This also would not have been possible without the generosity and time of our speakers. Dr. Brian Alexander, Dr. Kevin Curran, Mia Adnan Ahmad, Dr. Kawana Leggett, Dr. Michael Genovese, and Dr. Amy Woodson-Bolton. If at any point you would like more information on them and their accomplishments, please scan the QR code on the screen. It will be up there.
We are sure that you are all eager to hear what they have to say, so let's get started.